Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
First, let's gather all the essential components for our clock project. We'll start with a reliable clock mechanism kit, ensuring it has all the necessary hands and movement pieces. For the clock's face, a sturdy 8x8-inch piece of cardboard or thin wood works perfectly. Additionally, make sure you have your basic tools: a ruler for precision, a pencil, scissors, or a craft knife, and a strong glue to secure everything. Having these ready makes the assembly process much smoother and faster. Now, let's design the visual heart of your clock, the face. Start by precisely locating the center of your chosen base material and marking it with a small pencil dot. From this center, draw a clear 6-inch diameter circle, which will define your clock's edge. Next, accurately mark the crucial 12, 3, 6, and 9 o'clock points using a ruler for straight lines. Finally, evenly space and mark the remaining 8-hour positions, giving your clock a classic and readable layout. With your clock face prepared, it's time for the core component, the mechanism. Carefully create a small 3/8-inch diameter hole exactly at the center mark you made earlier. From the back side, insert the threaded shaft of your clock movement through this new hole. On the front, secure it using the provided washer and nut, hand tightening just enough to keep it firm. Finally, gently press the hour hand first, then the minute hand, and finally the second hand onto their corresponding shafts, ensuring they move freely. Almost done, let's bring your clock to life with power and personality. First, carefully insert a single AA battery into the designated compartment on the back of your clock mechanism. Observe the hands for a moment. They should begin to move smoothly, confirming your clock is now functioning. This is also the perfect time to add your personal touch, decorating the face with numbers, vibrant colors, or unique embellishments. Consider attaching a simple stand or a wall hook to make it display ready. Finally, it's time to test your creation and prepare for its presentation. Let your finished clock run for at least 30 minutes on a flat surface, allowing you to observe its accuracy. Compare its time against a known reliable source, like your phone, and make any minor adjustments if needed. For your project presentation, be ready to briefly explain the materials you used and the steps you followed. Don't forget to highlight any unique design elements or problem-solving you tackled, showing off your hard work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.